Tetrasail is an adaptive sailing experience that allows people with tetraplegia to sail, even though they have limited or no ability to use their arms and legs. A user can control the boat using either a joystick or a sip and puff system. Tetrasail utilizes a shared control system that allows two people, a main user tetraplegia and a control partner, to collaboratively control the boat. Our participants' reports and feedback from using Tetrasail in the real world indicate that shared control facilitated a usable and enjoyable experience. Even for participants who had no prior sailing experience or no experience with Tetrasail. The Tetrasail simulation is a training simulation for individuals with different physical abilities to gain experience with Tetrasail's controls. With the simulation, users can select between different input device options and control schemes to help them figure out the best match between the controls and their abilities. The input systems used in the simulation are the exact input system that are used with the real-world Tetrasail hardware. The simulation UI provides different levels of feedback about the user's performed commands and the current state that Tetrasail is in. For example, in the video being shown, the rudder is all the way to the left. Also, Tetrasail provides the user with a visual representation of what control option the user has. For instance, as shown on the screen, in this user customized control scheme, the user uses a single sip to turn right or a single buff to turn left. Also, the user has the ability to combine multiple sips and buffs to perform other commands, such as a double sip will increase the motor speed. These control options are the same in the real-world experience, and the control partner can flexibly assist the user in performing any of these commands as needed. In addition to visual feedback, audible feedback announces commands that the system has received as the user performed them.
Turning to the right at 33%. Turning to the left at 33%. Back to neutral. Motor at 30% of the maximum speed.
A similar system is used in the real-world experience to provide feedback on the current system state. The simulation provides users with different tasks, such as navigating a certain course on the water to facilitate the different commands and gain familiarity with the control system. It also facilitates learning the basics of sailing, such as paying attention to the wind direction and speed. The lake presented in the simulation is modeled based on the destination lake, where the real-world Tetrasail experience is currently hosted, in an effort to support familiarity with the surroundings. In addition to serving as a training tool for our participants, Tetrasail simulation has also helped us to iteratively prototype and test different input system and control schemes. The simulation was also useful for testing our different feedback mechanisms to better understand how users might react to that information when presented in the real-world experience.